Can we safely inject and permanently store large volumes of CO2 in our reservoirs? That was the $150 million question we set out to answer back in 2017 when Project Greensand was started. Since then, we have gone from lab studies to full field pilots, from seismic monitoring breakthroughs to complex geomodeling, from near-well simulations to basin scale studies. And the answer is clear. Yes, we can, because it's a great candidate and it's perfectly safe to do so. This was possible thanks to our exceptional subsurface team. By combining geoscience, engineering, research and innovation, they have been the heart of this project.
We got started because we have an oil field that is on decline. We saw the need for having CO2 storage, and we wanted to make use of the facilities we already have in place, utilizing the knowledge we have from our oil production and transforming that into a green energy transition for the company. So when you look at CO2 storage, the starting point is the geology. Project Greensand is named after the rock that we intend to store CO2 in. The rock is a sandstone, and within the sandstone grains we have a mineral called glauconite that gives a green color to the rock. It actually has 30% voids, or 30% what we call porosity, and that's the void or the room we want to use for CO2 storage. So we exposed these small pieces of core that we have taken up from the subsurface, exposed it to CO2, and we are dealing with a CO2 that should stay in the subsurface and not escape to the atmosphere. So we need to be sure that everything we do is safe and follow the standards. The conclusion is that we can store CO2 within the existing oil trap, and that we can store it safely because we have a cap rock, a sealing unit that is more than 900 meters thick. It's very exciting. It's very exciting to see that you can use your knowledge and your techniques to move into a new area.
Once we knew that the rocks would hold the CO2, the next step was to be sure that it would stay there.
Our objective of the Project Greensand is to be able to demonstrate where the CO2 will move and to make sure that it will stay within the area that we want it to stay. I model multiple injection scenarios, and I also evaluate the pressure buildup in the reservoir along with the CO2 migration in time. It's a fascinating fluid to be working with because it interacts in a very unique way with the reservoir rocks. So a lot of modeling efforts and lab experiments need to be put in place to get to know it better. What's important for us is to be able to predict where it's going to go and how fast it will be moving. It takes thousands and thousands of probability simulations, and that's why the modeling work is so important, because it lays the ground for safe injection operations. And apart from building a confidence of where CO2 is going to go coming from our modeling work, we are designing a monitoring program to make sure that our injection operations are done in a safe and permanent way in the future.
None of this happens in isolation. Project Greensand is one successful team effort. Different disciplines, different skills, all brought together into one clear picture.
Bringing all these disciplines together means we cover all angles and paint the full picture. We need to make sure that the CO2 is locked away for generations to come. My job as a CCS manager is to integrate experts and studies and connect the dots. All the disciplines come with their important part of the projects that we do. One study might impact another discipline's work or come out as a boundary condition for something else, and that needs to be integrated. And it's all important. There's nothing we could live without. I have confidence in Project Greensand because I know how much work has gone into this project over the years. I also work with these people every day. I know how brilliant they are. It's not something we just do for fun. It's also fun, but we would like to make an impact also. The world needs it.
We at INEOS are truly excited about CCS because we believe this is the best and the safest solution to decarbonize the society. Our goal is to scale up to 8 million tons of CO2 stored per year by 2030. Now that's around 20% of Denmark's emissions as of today. The science is proven, the technology is ready, and our world-class subsurface team is leading the way in delivering the future of carbon storage.